everyone. There was Supabarn. Casey. Got a walk-in refrigerator right here. So let's check it out. Pretty big. So I'm actually here by myself today, which is interesting. We have Buffalo Trident. We've got a Buffalo Trident PS series, as you can see. With 5 fans on it. This is actually my very first walk-in refrigerator I've actually ever filmed. You actually got the cross of the coil back there. Pretty nice. Very, very nice. This is actually the closest walk-in fridge close to my home. There's another one for the milk aisle down there because I'm in a supermarket. In liquor section, now liquor stores are very common in supermarkets, as you can see. Of course, we have Woolworths, which they are partnered up with BWS, which you probably know by the BWS series. Then Coles has Liquorland. But Supabarn uses their own liquor stores, as you can see. Sells their own beer and wine. But that's not what I'm really here for. I'm actually here for the evaporators, because I have a huge interest in fans. If I mentioned that in one of my videos, I'm pretty sure I have. And yep, that's what I tried. So that's really about it, really. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Goodbye.